Hello guys and namaste. Welcome to Gameaholic. This is the third month of the year and here are some of the top 10 games of the March 2016. Starting with the number 10, Lifeline. Added a brand new Lifeline short story from the Dave Justice. Strange things are happening on the mysterious moon and a group of elite marines have been sent in to investigate. Find out what happens in the origin of the Lifeline. Lifeline is a playable branching shot of survival against the all odds. You will help Taylor making the life or death decision and face the consecutive together. Now, coming to the number 9, Photonica. You have never experienced nothing like Photonica. Have you ever wondered what running at the 140 mile per hour feels like? Photonica is the first person game about the thrill of the speed and traveling flawlessly to the complex environment. The visuals are treated for the Gnostic players but also for those who are hungry for the graphics. Even Pixels is drawn to convey the maximum sense of the speed and accelerate the journey through the light and the voids. Number 8, Downwell. An extraordinary arcade about an endless fall of the main hero into a mysterious abyss. The game starts with an hero jumping into a deep well full of evil turtles, dragon, jellyfish, aggressive bats and other monsters. As a weapon there is only boots that you can shoot from. Go around and pass the obstacles, destroy enemies and search for the treasures and help the main hero to survive. Number 7, The Fall Geometry Challenge. Help the ball in the ingenious and tricky level we have created for you. The fall will seriously challenge your skills and reflexes. Touch the screen to change the direction and avoid the spikes. The fall is coming. Charge your reflexes. The developers have said that now they will add new levels very soon. Number 6, Alto's Adventure. Join Alto and his friends as they embark an endless snowboarding odyssey journey across the beautiful alpine hills of their native wilderness, through the neighborhood villages and ancient woodland along abandoned ruins. Along the way, you have to rescue the running away lambas, grid rooftops, leap over the terrifying champs and over with the mountain edges, all with a brave and ever-charging element and passing of the time upon the mountain. Fully dynamic lightning and weather effects including the thunderstorm, blizzards, fog, rainbow, shooting star and many much more. Number 5, Color Switch. Tap the ball carefully through each obstacles and your ball will switch the color with some power-ups. You must follow the color pattern on each the obstacles to cross it. Be careful not pass through the wrong color or you have to start again. There are in total 185 new levels and 15 balls. You can unlock it with the stars or with the levels. Number 4, it is an atmospheric puzzle platform game with an interesting story. The game with it is visible for a plot referring to the old silent movie. Graphic design of it is unique. Combination of the different ethics, hand drawing, noir vintage, art decos and even steampunk elements. The game is embellished by the atmospheric music and an interest background feature. In the game, we will face the obstacle of logical and arcade kind. We will fight with the bosses and take a travel by surrounding world, full of strange creatures and incestuous place. During the game, we can find the fragment of the book so that we can know the history of our main opponent, as well as learn how to weave of unexpected events influencing our present fate. Number 3, Raid HQ. Create a party of professional soldiers that have the most amazing weapons. Guide your small army troop into the battle. Fight difficult opponents, but your own base on the tropical island in this game for Android. Create a very fortified and turn your base into an impregnable fortress. Hire powerful heroes and create an indivisible squad able to defeat any enemy. Attack your base, win and take the valuable resources. Unite with your friends and help your clan dominate the world. Number 2. DC Lego Mighty Micros. The chase is on you as you race through the city as your favorite DC comic character. Want to feel heroic? Play a DC superhero to catch the villain and save the city. Want to feel a mischief? Play as a villain and escape the city before the hero can catch you. The chase is on as you race through city street as your favorite DC comic. Avoid obstacles, put off the awesome stunts and collect the studs to unlock the new characters, environments and stories. Whether the superhero or the supervillain, fun and excitement, avoid annoying everything turns of the wheel into the Lego DC Mighty Micros. Number 1. Evo Explores. You should trust your eyes. If something look real, it's real. If you don't see a problem, there is no problem at all. Manipulate impossible surround structures, explore optical illusion and solve mind-blowing puzzles. Even new level will unravel the history of the Mighty planet and its citizens. Evo is a space explorer. Every planet he visits is full of mysteries, but the Mighty planet is unique. Regular physics law don't work here. Even the gravity is under control of your imagination. Evo Explore was inspired by a beautiful game, Monument Valley.